Hey everybody, it's Ben from Blue Marlin Marketing again, and today I'm going to be bringing you a video on how to build a chatbot. You can either integrate this onto your website or into your Instagram DMs as like an autoresponder, that kind of thing. Um, so I know I've made some videos on ManyChat, and that's another way you can do this, which I'll have some of those linked on our page as well. Um, but what you can do with this version of the chatbot is it's a little easier to build, and you kind of just have to feed it the information about you, about your business, about whatever really you want it to know about. It doesn't necessarily have to be specific to your business. Like it could have like a knowledge base about marketing or knowledge base about AI or something like that as well. It doesn't just have to be limited to your like knowledge directly related to your business or directly like on your website or anything like that. But this can actually be integrated into your website or on your Instagram DMs. We're going to be using Chatbase today. And then the part where I have Google Drive right here, that's really just any document making things. You can use Word, whatever. And then ChatGPT is just we're gonna use to help us make the document better, add more text and stuff, that kind of thing. So the first thing you really want to do is just go ahead and make like whatever like documents you have from like your business stuff, kind of get them all in one place. So like if you have like links to your pages or like specific prompts and things that you use, I went ahead and just like have all that on here. And then another thing that you can go ahead and do is just like copy and paste information from your website. So we got all this stuff in here. Let me go ahead and actually find one more document. I'm gonna go ahead and pause this real quick and I'll be back with you in 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. So here's actually the other document that I went ahead and made for this bot as well. So we just have like our thing, our some of our links, and obviously you could have a million more, whatever you have links to, or specific videos, things like that. And then what I went ahead and did is actually just copied like all of the text and stuff from our website and got that into one thing. And then I also just took all of like our affiliate links, our community link, that kind of thing, website, book a call, that stuff, put in here too. Took some stuff from some other documents, that kind of thing. And then I also went into ChatGPT. I'll just go ahead and start a new one. We'll go 04, whatever. And then I could like either attach this document, say improve this. Like I have it saved already, so I won't go ahead and do that. But you could also say, since if you've been using your ChatGPT or like whatever AI model, you could say like, could you please provide me with any information you have about, and then I'll say Blue Marlin, M-A-R-K-E-T-I-N, Blue Marlin Marketing. PL, please make it a complete and detailed, whatever, breakdown. Cool. Detailed, complete. Boom. So then it will take like whatever it knows from the knowledge base that it's built up, and it will actually go ahead and like write you some more stuff. And what I did is actually take all of all this information and just pasted it back into this one document. So like all this part of it is ChatGPT at the bottom here. Let me actually find. Yeah, so from like here down is like all comprehensive breakdown. It's like all ChatGPT stuff, like just another breakdown of your stuff. And you could also now, like using ChatGPT search the web, you could actually like link it to your website as well. Like say, hey, could you write me a detailed breakdown of Blue Marlin marketing.com. Boom. And since it can now like search the web, it can actually go to that website and like go to our website and do it. But you could also, if you're like building this for a client or something like that, you could use their website and like build it too. You can obviously copy and paste your own stuff into like a document you've created for them, but you can also use ChatGPT and like search the web and get some more breakdowns, things like that. So the next thing you're going to do is go to Chatbase. It will look something like this. You'll just want to go do a new chatbot. I'm going to just go click this one since I've already actually added it. But what you're going to see is it's going to be on this page when you first get in. You won't be able to like go view any of these until you've actually attached something. So all you want to do is save this document, save whatever documents you want, and there could be multiple. Save them as a PDF save them as a PDF. And then all you want to do is go ahead here, and then you'll click the ones you want, which I've already added, so I won't do that. It will tell you how many characters. And then on this free version, that's the limit, but there is versions where you could have more, and you can obviously have a bunch more documents as well. So once all that's in, we can actually like go to the playground, and the playground will let you like talk to the bot. So could you tell me what services you offer? And so this could be, and obviously the name doesn't have to be this, like that, just because it's going from the document. It won't actually say that on like wherever you embed it. But yeah, so like it will have, this could be on your website or in your Instagram or wherever, and like, could you provide me with a contact link? Sure. So yeah, boom, and then it knows from that like book a call one or like our thing. If I click this, there you go, it'll prompt my email, and like for example though, this would be built onto your website or something like that, and it's a great way to have like chats with them or like whatever, talk to people. And then the chat log, what you'll actually be able to see, is just like all the conversations that your bot's having. And then leads would be like new people that were talking to it like outside of here. And when you have a chat going that's like not in this, you actually will have the option to like up here do a manual takeover of it. So if like someone is asking your bot and you're like your Instagram DMs or something, like questions, like it's your DM, so they're asking like you questions. And if there's something that like your bot's responded to, but you want to say something else, you'll go in here and actually just like click this little button that says human takeover, and you'll be all good to just go ahead and actually respond yourself instead of this. And you can just flip that, like toggle it on and off, so you can actually go about like using it. So for connecting it, there's a few ways. Integrations with your Instagram. You'll have to make sure that your Instagram is a professional account and that it's linked to an actual Facebook page. But once you go ahead and do that, you'll just go hit, you'll have to subscribe, obviously. But once you've done that, you'll go ahead and just like integrate, do a couple tests. It'll have you like log in. You'll try some stuff out. And then you can see these are some of the other ways that you can implement it. Like just directly to WordPress or Slack or Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp or Instagram. But you can also use this thing called embed. You have to actually make it public first before you can do that. But once you go ahead and make public, you can actually use this code to go ahead and embed that into your website. And then once it's embedded in your website, you'll go ahead and like go back to your site, refresh it, test it, see if there's a bubble or exactly how it looks, if it looks how you want it to work, all that. You can test like questioning, different things like that. But yeah, and then it will also provide you like analytics. That's a paid feature, obviously. You can do a lot of this for free. As you can see that like I haven't paid for most of this, and I've been able to use most of these settings for free. One other thing is if you do a webhook, you can actually integrate this into like Make or something like that. I know Make.com is a thing that I've made a ton of videos about, and is a thing a lot of you are interested in as well. So let me know if you want me to go more into depth on how you can actually use webhooks and that kind of thing with this. And you can also do like custom domains if you like owned another one or something like that, or like owned a domain you wanted to assign to it. But yeah, let me know in the comments if there's any other like questions or anything, or you want me to go more in depth on any of like the settings or things in here. Also, I'll put out another video where I'll actually go ahead and like show how it kind of integrates, how the look of it is. And maybe I'll show like how it will integrate for like your clients, or like if you not your own website, or like a website built on not WordPress, something along those lines. Let me know if that's something you'd like to see. Yeah, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. That really, really, really helps us out. Thank you for that. But yeah, and as always, don't forget to leave any questions, comments, concerns for me. Video ideas if there's anything you want to see. But yeah, have a great rest of your day, everybody, and I'll see you next time.